If you want to take advantage of the Wireless Go 2's direct digital connection to the iPhone, you'll need the Rode SC15 cable. But what if you can't get one? You might be surprised. You may already have what you need in the cupboard. G'day, my name is Gary and you're watching the channel that reduces the stress of using audio and video gear. If you enjoy these easy to understand tutorials, then please consider subscribing. The SC15 and the longer SC19 cables are USB-C to Lightning audio only connections. Now they're used with devices like the Rode Wireless Go 2 and the VideoMic NTG. Now using a digital connection with your phone is way better than a simple analog cable because it gives you both the left and the right channel inputs. Now if you use an analog connection to your mobile like the curly cable, then you'll only get a blended mono signal. A standard USB-C to Lightning cable like the one used to charge your phone or transfer data is not interchangeable with these special audio cables. Now there is a way around it. If you add the genuine iOS camera adapter to the charging cable that comes with the Wireless Go 2, you have a workaround until you get a dedicated cable. Now this is all you need. The charging cable that comes with the Wireless Go 2 and a genuine Apple USB-A to Lightning connector. Now there are a couple of versions available and one has an extra port for charging your phone while it's plugged in. Connect the supplied charging lead into the Wireless Go 2 and connect your USB-A plug into the iOS camera adapter. Then connect your camera adapter into the iPhone. Now I'm using the Filmic Pro app for video creation. In the bottom right hand corner you'll see when the app recognizes the connection. Okay, so testing 1, 2, we've got a left channel and we've got right channel. No problem at all. So there's a great alternative using the camera adapter for the iPhone as a substitute for the SC15 cable. Now just a point on the side, the iOS camera adapter is more expensive than the Rode SC15 cable, so I'm only highlighting this as an alternative. If you have any questions then please leave them in the comment section and I've placed some links in the description if you'd like to compare the pricing of these items. Stay safe and until next time, I'll catch you later.